Hi guys, so I did not know that these were going to be available for craft day, so I'm going to try these out. These are some new items from Diamond Press. They did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Now, if you can tell, my voice is a little bit hoarse. I just got done doing a 2+ hour live video, chatting with you guys, talking the whole time, and my voice sounds like this. But I am super happy that these are actually available today. It's the Diamond Press Give Thanks, and the background's called Spooky, and I've been waiting for these, but I wasn't sure that they were going to be made available for today's craft day. So I think what I'm going to do is make a quick card, because I think that'll be fun. So let's open those guys up and we'll check them out, and then we'll have a little go at them here. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Look at this spooky Slimline. Oh my gosh. You guys. I'm sorry my voice sounds like this, but like I am super excited. Oh my gosh. I can't talk any higher because then the voice will just keep going. Look at these. Look at the pumpkin. Oh my gosh. The little bats and then the spider web. This is going to make a really quick, awesome card. That's why I've been loving their Slimline, the background dies that they've been making, because they've just been awesome, and they're like such a focal point. Just pop a sentiment or whatever, maybe a couple little things, and they're good to go. So these are really pretty. They usually make them 8.5 by 3.5. I will measure them real quick, but I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to be at. Yeah, so I'm looking cutting edge to like cutting edge 3.5. My preferred size 8.5. So this covers a whole front of a standard 8.5 by 3.5 Slimline. I feel like making them a little bigger, the 4x9, this will mat into there perfectly because it's just 1/2 inch, it's 1/4 inch all around smaller. So pretty. And then it comes with a cutting folder. Of course, if you do not have a marquee, you can use that for a different purpose. Actually, one gal here, and I told myself to remember her name because I feel bad just throwing it out there, but she says that she uses the folders because she has so many of them now to hold the instructions so they don't get tattered, or the little inspo sheets, and I'm like, that is really smart. So thank you so much. I'll find her name and I'll put it in the comments there, so thank you. And then this is the Give Thanks. So I was waiting for pretty much both of these. This is so awesome. Again, it comes with a cutting folder. You can put that to the side and use it for something else if you don't have a marquee. Any thin metal die cutting machine will cut any thin metal die, so they're interchangeable as long as they fit, right? And the size of it, not thickness. I'm talking about size. Let's say Give Thanks, and it has, so you can make little pumpkins all layered up and adorable, the little leaves, the word Give Thanks, hello, blessed. And that's what we have here. So it's all dies. Gorgeous. So just to give you an idea of the dies, they're, 3 inches, like this larger one, and even this leaf, the inside part of that leaf is about 3 inches. Really nice size here on the wording. It looks like it's almost 3.5, almost 4 inches on the thanks, so the give can be popped on there. Really pretty. This one has a background and the word blessed. We have hello, all the little leaves and everything with their different pieces. So what I'm going to do is grab a card base and grab some papers, and we'll try these out. What I'm going to do is try out one of the background spooky dies first. And I think what I'm going to do is use the pumpkins. I picked out a card base from the Halloween card kit. And then we'll just use some toppers and things. I'm doing this one because it is so intricate and I want to check it out, but you have the bats and the spider web. I was thinking you can even probably layer those up. Ooh, that'd be cool to layer up like the bats over the spider webs, or I think that'd be really nice. So I'm going to do that first. I was wondering if I was going to have a chance to craft today, and here it is. So I'm going to put this on here. I am going to use the paper in this direction. You can still get 2 off of this. If you go this way, you can get 3 off of one sheet of paper, but you have to really make sure that it's right on the edges, right? Because this is going to cut 8.5, and this is already 8.5 as it is. So I'm just going to go like this, just so I'm not going to even think about that for now. And maybe we'll use the rest of this orange paper for cutting out some pumpkins in a little bit here. So I am going to just hold this, but normally I would do is tape it down. But since I'm going through the marquee, and I will just use this folder since it's handy, I'm just gonna Maybe put one little tape. And I usually try to angle it just a little bit, the die inside the folder. Sorry, normally I pause for this because it shakes the camera, but hopefully that wasn't too bad. Ooh, a little tape there. You guys, did anything even stay in there? Look at that. Perfect. What I'm gonna do is, I just wanted to pop that on this. Why not? You can make your own card base too, 8.5, you know, by 7, and score it at 3.5 on the 7-inch side, and you have your card base. I'm just gonna glue this down simply with just some glue. It has really nice large areas, so I'm just gonna put glue all on the back of this and glue that down, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just massaging that down. There it is, super cute. Pop on a sentiment, do whatever you like. I think what I'm gonna do is try one of the shakers, because you guys know I've been wanting to try one of these shakers from the Halloween card kit. Oh, you know what, before I take it off, let me think about where I want to put it. Over right in the center. I can put it right in the center. Ish. Before I really push it down, I'll check and see if I like where it's at. Oh my gosh. So cute. And then I'll put some of these rhinestones just to finish it off. In the kit there's all kinds of twine and other things, little die cuts. I think that would look lovely just scattered around here. Let me see. They're so cute. I'm trying to think where I want to put these guys. Sorry, I have my window open so you hear a little crackling. Let's think. We have goldish color. I'm just trying to see where I want to put it. And something like that. And I'll do the same thing, pop the same kind of 3 up here. Okay. And there's that sweet little card. That background is just a knockout. So cool. Alright, let me grab some other papers and we'll try some of the pumpkins. Okay, from this little guy, I just pulled out a card base that I probably will use from the Thankful card kit. And I grabbed some different orange colors and little gold. I think gold is fun. Maybe we'll incorporate that somehow. 2 browns and like a green. Maybe I'll get another shade of green. But for now, so it shows you here kind of how you're going to pair them up or match them up however you like. So I think what I'm going to do is make the pumpkins, the bases like this orange color. And let's make all 3 of them. So those 3, and then for the outer portion, the decorative portion, I'll use this guy. 1, 2, and 3. And for the little stumps, we're going to use all of the stumps, so I'm just going to see which ones look like. So this guy is a stump, and I'll make that one the light brown. I'm just going to put it on there for now. And this guy, and you don't have to do the double layer if you don't want the stump, you can just put the 1 layer. I'm going to go for it. So we're going to do the light brown, and the dark brown I'm going to put the decorative layer of stump. Ah! Is it a stump or is it a stem? I guess you cut it off the stem, but okay, we'll put that there. And I think these little curly cues, well there's one, this one, I'm going to cut out a few from gold, just to have a little gold accent. So I'll cut a few of these out of some gold scraps here that I have. And just a couple of the little leaves, so I'm going to cut this out from green a couple times. And what's really nice is if I tape these down, I can pretty much get these cut in just a few passes, especially if you use like one of the extended cutting folders, which this one has little bits in it. Let me pop those out for now. I could put this in here. I could cut the paper down a little bit smaller so I can also run these guys in at the same time and get them all cut basically in one pass, and then the extra pieces. But I will be right back. Hey guys, so I'm going to layer these up. The pieces that came out of here are really nice and big to work with if you wanted a paper piece back into them. I think that would be easily done. So I'm just going to layer these guys up like this. I'll do the same for all the little pumpkins, and then we'll add in our stems and things. So the stems I will also layer up. Sorry, I think I mentioned I have my window open, so the curtain might be scraping some stuff there. Let's pop that on there. So sweet. Yep, a little bit off. So that's the one thing about this glue, is that it wants to set up pretty quick after you put it down. So I'll do the same for these two guys, match them up. And same thing for the little stems, which I just realized if these are brown, would the leaves still be green? Not in my garden, but that's okay. Alright, I'll layer these up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, as far as putting the little stumps on, you can have your images here, you can follow along. You can put them in front, you can put them in back. You know, if you want that one there, in the back. I think wherever it is that you would like to put them. Put that one there for now. I have little sprigs too that we can play with in just a minute. Kind of like them in the front, but again, put it wherever you like. And this little guy. And I'll play around with the leaves a little bit. Okay guys, I haven't put down the leaves yet, but I'll pop them on. I was looking for my tacky tool, but since I paused, I might as well just kind of think about what I want to do. And then we'll layer things up. Aw, they look so cute. I want this one over here. That little guy. I was thinking about putting this one up, like on top, but oh, you know what? Maybe we'll do something like that. And then I'll put the sentiment over here. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is glue these down. Oh, I left this open. Full disclosure, I had to go pick up my son from work. And I left this open, sitting on the counter here. Oop. Okay, come on, buddy. So cute. And I'll pop that guy up. Oh, glue's doing its own thing here. I left these kind of open on the top because I want one to tuck in the little leaves, or, you know, I'm not sure how I want to arrange them, or like these little sprigs might be tucked in somewhere, so that's kind of why I left those doing their own thing. Ugh, so cute. Okay, do I put the glue on this? Sure. Just adorable. Okay, we have these little guys. Or should they be over here with the sprig? I'm trying to think where I want to put this. Oopsie. Oh, I do have a sprig for this one too. And I'll put the sprig like that, and then the leaf like that. Looks good. Trying to see exactly where I want to put this little guy. Something like that. Okay, so I'm going to glue down my little leaves, and I will be right back. Okay, that looks so pretty. I love that blue paper. It just makes it pop, that orange. Really nice. I'm going to take the words blessed, and I think I'm going to cut the shadow out with the craft paper, and I'm trying to think if I want to use the bright orange. Yeah, so I'll cut the word itself from some of the bright orange. This is just a smaller piece I have here. So I'll run both these through and I'll be right back. Okay, just going to glue these one right on top of the other. and I will be right back. If you want to put the glue on the back of your hand trick, you can definitely do that. They're pretty wide, so I'll settle this in here, and usually what I do is I just pop it in. Start with one side and kind of make sure it's where it should be, and then just kind of go over to the other end. Okay, I'm going to hold that down and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put some 3D glue gel on the back of this guy. Put him in his little patch. So cute. And I'll put a little bit on this one. And I'll probably top it off with a few little pearls or rhinestones. And that's it. 2 really great sets. I'm really glad that they brought them out today. Links for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing those in action. I'll have some pictures for you. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.